Salford's display here at Canada's Outdoor Farm Show includes something relatively new to the company. Anson, tell me about the SS320 here.
Yeah, this is our new SS320 or 400 plus spinner spreader, two models of this machine. And we've made a chassis mounted spinner spreader that's capable of spreading fertilizer at 120 feet. We've got 12 section control, very simple section control design. So we've been using it on our BBI Sniper spinner spreader for close to a decade now. So it's proven reliable technology. And then from our higher capacity MagnaSpread Plus product, we brought in the capability to do lime application with this machine as well. So with one machine, we can do fertilizer or lime. There's a small changeover process. Takes one guy a couple of hours to switch between products. So larger farming operations that have their own chassis or commercial and custom applicators will see a lot of benefit from the ability to be able to do the two products off of one machine. And then the 400 plus model is also capable of doing two product fertilizers. So we have an insert bin that we can drop into that. And it's a 60-40 split to that compartment, or 50-50. There's a baffle inside that allows you to change the capacity of the internal bin. So if you're doing multi-product application, you can hit that up to 120 feet spread, and 12 section control is really helpful, especially in areas here like Ontario where there's a lot of variable field shapes and you're coming up against waterways. That section control really pays off. But if you're in more of a broad acre application, the 120 feet is really the big benefit to this applicator.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's two models of this then? What are the capacities?
So it's kind of one machine with two different configurations.
Okay, rather than two different, completely different.
So the 320 model is a lime only spreader. It has 320 cubic feet of capacity. And then we can add 10-inch extensions onto that to get up to a 420 cubic foot capacity. And that's when we can drop in the insert as well for two product fertilizer application.
And it's retrofittable to existing machines?
Yeah, so currently we're able to get onto case floaters, later model John Deere floaters, and RBR machines as well.
Okay, and wind compensation, anything like that for the spread?
Yeah, we don't have a true wind compensation module, but what we've done on the back end of the spreader is the flow divider is fully enclosed. So as the material drops off of the belt into onto the spinner discs, that whole piece is enclosed, and that way any wind coming across is not affecting where the material hits the disc, so it keeps it a very accurate spread. The other thing Salford spreaders are known for is a fairly flat pattern, so there's not very much loft to the material going into the air, and that flat pattern makes us less susceptible to pressure from wind as well.
And these are available now from dealers?
Yeah, we're introducing them this season, so we've got some going out this fall, and we'll be ramping up next spring.
Anson, thanks for your time.
Thanks very much, Scott.